Hey Ted, what you doing? Hi Graham. I'm making a video, so be quiet, okay? Oh, okay Ted. Alright, go on. Well, my name is Ted from Ted's War on Everything, and I'm a hand puppet. I'm a hand puppet. I love YouTube. I love it. I talk to other hand puppets and other puppets on YouTube. It's really nice. I like sock puppets too. And there's bears, and there's bunny rabbits, and there's pussycats. I like it. It's all a big community. See, you don't have to be human to be on YouTube. You can be a hand puppet. A hand puppet. They're wonderful. They're wonderful. So, give me a hug. Come on, give me a hug. Oh.
Write me, comment me, love me.